Hey everybody, how are you guys doing? It's been a while. Been really busy around the farm. It's turning into fall weather, which is awesome. Sweatshirt weather. I could live with this year round. Not too hot, not too cold. Quite fantastic. Right now, just got done breakfast after morning chores. But now I'm gonna go and check the chickens, clean some eggs. Got some orders I need to fill up for some customers, so I'm going to be doing that now. I'm gonna clean them, and nothing in there. Hopefully the milkers are almost done. I'll scrape the dry lot, and hopefully we'll chop some more corn today. Got some in there. Let's go get them. Looks like they need some water as well, so I'll be taking care of them while I'm over here. Come on, move. 3 more eggs. You see they broke a couple of them, so I can see those shells. If any of you know how to stop chickens from doing that, please leave it in the comments below. I give them oyster shells. That's supposed to help them with their supplements or whatever, but they still seem to be breaking eggs, and I can't be having that because I have a lot of customers that rely on my eggs, so I need them not break them so I get more eggs. I'm sorry if there's any wind noise. It's quite breezy out this morning. Add that to the basket, clean them. I don't know how you guys all do it for the ones that raise chickens and have eggs. I just fill this tub with warm water. Put the eggs in it. Some of them don't need it, but I still do it. Alright, so I'll let them sit in there for a couple minutes. It'll take, like, that dirty egg you see right there in that warm water. It'll take that off. I'd have to scrub it, but you get the idea. It takes it off pretty well. Yeah, past couple of days we had a rainstorm. What was it? Monday night, I think it was. So we spent Tuesday moving a bunch of cattle around. I wanted to get that in a video, but I ran out of hands. I needed to drive, have one trailer around, had to use both hands to move cattle. I didn't have an extra hand for a camera, so I apologize for that. I will get that in a video someday. But as you can see, we can a bunch of pens cleaned. My sister's gonna come back today and wash all the panels with pressure washer. I got some started, but she said she'll come back today and clean the rest of them. So that'll work. Be nice and clean in here. We have a bunch of heifers in the barn to bring up here. Had way too many heifers lately, and not enough room. I mean, that's a good problem, I think. Alright guys, I'm in the Priest barn. This is our fresh pen, where they have recently had their calves within the past, I want to say, month or so. And they get moved over to here. And there's 4 more pens in the barn, which you can't really see. But these pens that we're going to focus on are the dry pens. This is close-up pen, so pretty much whoever is closest to having a calf goes in here. Otherwise, that's the other dry pen. So I'm going to scrape them. I'm gonna find a place to put you guys so you can watch, but I don't exactly know how well that's going to go. You guys just might come along for the ride. Alright, so you guys won't see me scrape this pen out. I did them already, or I scraped the stalls out. I'm gonna scrape the manure out of it. I'm gonna hope they stay down that way. They never do, so you won't see them go down there, but I will probably have to be chasing some cows. Told you I'd be chasing cows. This is actually going to be a first calf heifer, but she's just on the wild side anyways. Now you guys may wonder why I pushed it to here. It's because when the milkers come back for the afternoon shift, they'll each clean out them two pens on this side, the fresh pen and the other pen. They'll push it all the way down into our, we call it a manure pit, where all of our cow manure is stored. And before you guys give me too much grief about skid loader being, come on, Jersey. Skid loader being dirty? Yes. We know. But it's impossible to keep this dang thing clean. Alright, so what Caleb's going to do now is he's going to push up feed. He currently did the other barn first, and now he's coming here to do this one. That way, it's very important to keep feed in front of the cows. That's how they make their milk. Alright, so now that the dry lot's all cleaned out, cows are put back, feed pushed up. I'm gonna go spray my boots off, get a snack quick. I think we should be ready to start chopping. I'll take you guys along for that again. You guys probably get bored of that. So do I, but it's gotta be done. We do all of our chopping ourselves. We do hire out combining because we don't have a combine. We chop all our alfalfa, all of our corn, oats, anything that can be made for feed for the cows, we'll chop it. We do it ourselves. That's why you're gonna see a lot of videos of me chopping. Well, I haul, I don't chop, but you get the point. Alright everybody, we're getting ready to chop some corn. Caleb's taking off in his tractor pretty quick. I'm going to be taking off mine. Every day chopping corn, filling this bunker back up. We didn't get quite empty. It's last year's corn in the back. I guess I would say it's the back, not the front, but it's the back of the bunker. We didn't get it all off, so we need a place to put corn, so we are filling it back up. And it's just going to be sitting there again. Not much we can do. It's a good problem to have, I suppose. Too much corn. But anyways, I want to take a moment and pretty much thank everybody that watched this video. I do know that I'm not the most energetic, outgoing person. I was always known as a shy kid throughout school. Growing up, I was always a shy kid. So for me to be able to do this and for potentially reach people all over who knows where, yeah, it's nerve-wracking. I do want to know how to make better videos, how to make it more interesting, appealing to you guys. I want to do what you guys want me to do. I want to know what you enjoy about these videos. I know it's only my third video, but I don't know. I want to make them better. So if you guys have any ideas for me to make them better, just drop them in the comments. I will accept all forms of advice on how to be better, how to be more outgoing and not so shy on these videos. I don't know, I'm trying. It's something new. Giving it a shot, see if it works, see if I can reach many people. Thing is a beast. Does a great job of packing for us. Alright guys, that's pretty much all I've got for today. We just chopped all afternoon, gave some nice shots. Yeah, it's just gonna pack it for a few minutes and get back at it again tomorrow. Go mow some properties because I have a side business with a good buddy of mine. We've mow lawns and snowplow. So I'm gonna go do that tonight, and then I'll edit this video, and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.